Hello, my name is Lindsay and I'm a property manager with Chesapeake Property Management. I want to share with you the importance of documenting the property condition prior to tenant occupancy. By completing the documentation report, we create a baseline to reference at the start of the lease, during the lease term, and at the time of tenant move out. This reference holds all parties accountable in maintaining the condition of the home, and we have found the more detailed the documentation report, the better we can preserve the value of the home. Our documentation report is more than a one-page checklist. As you can see, this report is very detailed. This report I'm holding is 62 pages and includes 46 pictures. We take pictures of any imperfection, typically minor scuffs and scratches, and each picture has a corresponding note describing the location within the property. We also take pictures of all model numbers on appliances, the HVAC system, and the water heater. This is a great reference during the lease term in case a repair is needed. We have the information on hand to address quickly. The documentation report can take 1 to 3 hours depending on the size of the property and is completed just before each lease start date when the home is vacant. But wait, there's more. Our documentation report also includes a video. The video documentation shows both the exterior and interior of the home, every room, under every sink, and in every cabinet. The video documentation provides us an overall view of the property. At the time of tenant move out, the home should be in the same condition minus normal wear and tear. The video is our most commonly used tool we reference to resolve any discrepancies at the end of the lease. By having the detail of the documentation report PDF and the overall view provided by the video, we can hold the tenants to a high standard of maintaining the home. Please check out our blog at Chesapeake Property Management for more information.